Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Snap score not showing problem in Snapchat. So first of all, we need to update our Snapchat application. So for that, go to Play Store and search here Snapchat. If you see any update available here, then download the update and open your Snapchat and check the problem is fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to clear our Snapchat cache file. So to do that, go to your phone settings, scroll down and search for app management. Once you get it, tap on that, tap on Snapchat, tap on storage usage, clear cache, and tap on clear data. And after doing this process, you'll need to re-log in into your Snapchat account and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the third solution is we need to reinstall our Snapchat application. So press and hold Snapchat and delete app from here. Then go to Play Store and search here Snapchat. After uninstalling Snapchat, you will need to reinstall your Snapchat from here and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the last and final solution is we need to uninstall our Snapchat and we need to install an older version of Snapchat. So uninstall your Snapchat and go to your browser, search here older version of Snapchat, then open this first link, scroll down, and here you will see older versions of Snapchat. So you can download any of them just tapping on the version name, then tap on download and you will get Snapchat installation on your device. You have to install it, log in into your account, and that's how you can fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.